start. So we have studied in the last chapter about my electric field. Okay, so we have already discussed that if suppose this is my battery, the electrons are flowing from my negative terminal and goes to the positive terminal. Equal number of protons is also moving from my positive terminal to the negative terminal, which is known as what my quantization of charges, right? Which is equals
Yes.
to Q is equals to NE. Okay, N is my number of electrons. How many number of electrons are moving from my negative terminal towards the positive terminal? That is my N. Now, the next point that we will study here about my potential, that whatever the number of electrons are moving from my negative to positive, and protons are then going from positive to negative, there is a creating what my potential difference in my battery. Difference in battery. Potential difference are always generated in our battery. Now the question arises that what is potential difference? See how many number of charges are going from negative to positive terminal. That is the how much work the battery has to do. Because see the circuit is too much long, right? The how much work the electron is doing to pop up from the battery so that it can go in the circuit. That is the potential of that electron. Just like if I will say you, how much can you able to study 5-6 hours continuously with me? I can teach you because I have a potential, but you guys don't have the potential to study. Similarly, you will say, ma'am, 1 hour is too much enough, right? Because 1 hour is that potential. You can hear carefully only for 1 hour, sincerely only for 1 hour, not more than that. Then your mind starts disturbing that upcoming finish, now when it will be finished, when it will be finished, when class will be over. Just like in the school, right? Correct,
Yes,
Nandini?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Because that is your potential. Similarly, how much electron has done the work to pop out from the negative terminal, that is the potential of the electron. Because of that reason, in class 10 also you have studied about that potential is equals to electric potential V is equals to work done W upon my test charge Q naught. Now, what do you mean by the word work done? See, this is my test chart. How much the electrons are moving from here to here. These are my test chart. Work done is very, very important term. See, just use the brain and then tell me if I want to take the charge from the infinity. If I want to take a charge from infinity to that point, okay, then I will write it down. Work done from infinity to point P. But potential, I will write potential from P to infinity is equals to work done from infinity to point P divided by my Q naught, that is my test charge. This is the way to write it down to my potential. Now, I am asking one thing, Nandini, that what does it mean that the charges are from infinity and I'm taking it to the point P? What does it mean? Practically, where we are saying this, the practical look. Tell me. Nandini, tell me, beta.
Practically, ma'am.
Yeah, practically, beta. Practically, where we are observing this thing, that we have taken a charge from infinity to that point. Say, think.
From transformer to our house, ma'am.
Very good. Too much good. I'm impressed. Correct. And rather than saying to the transformer, go to the power station, huh, where the power is generating. That is the infinity source. Very good. Transformer, yeah, power station to our house. And then we can also say that house socket has a what? Infinity source. We can't calculate how much the current is there. Right? To the mobile phone or any appliances which it is working. Maybe mixing grinder, maybe OTG, maybe washing machine, maybe computer, maybe TV. All these are what a point source. To the point the body has to work. So work is very good, interesting. So work is what? If suppose this is my electric field. This is my electric field. Work is always doing against my electric field. This is what you have to remember. If I will do my work along with the electric field, minus it will be P to infinity. It will be what? Minus, not plus. Because work is always doing against the electric field. Why? Because electron is always moving against the electric field. Huh? This much of work is for my electrons. If because electron it will not go to the positive terminal, if electrons will not move, then how current will go? Right? Because of that reason, work is always my against of electric field. So to write it down, the work, our funda should be like this. Okay. Our funda will be the simple. Potential final to initial is equals to work initial to final divided by my test charge. Like this, you have to remember. Potential will be from my final to initial, but my work will be what my initial to final divided by my test charge. Is that clear, Nandini?
Ma'am, why ma'am final to initial potential?
Because from here to here, see the our charges is flowing from where? From positive to negative. So from final to initial. But work of the electron is going from where? From initial to final. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
understood now? That's
Yes,
the
ma'am.
reason it is like this. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, good. I'm just asking you one of the question. Just tell me.